Forget everything you thought you knew about motorhomes, because this isn't camping. It's a 5-star mansion on 10 wheels, with heated marble floors, gold-accented interiors, and a wine cellar. The 2026 ForeTravel Realm Presidential Series isn't just a motorhome. It's 1.7 million of handcrafted, road-crushing luxury. And today, we're taking you inside. This beast is called the ForeTravel Realm Presidential LV2, built in Texas, but styled like a private jet. At over 45 feet long, sitting on a custom Spartan K4 chassis and powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine, this motor coach isn't just big, it's commanding, with the presence of a luxury yacht cruising the interstate. Each model is custom-built. No two interiors are ever the same. And the wait list? Months, even years long. Step inside, and you're greeted with soft touch leathers, Italian tile, real wood veneers, and hand-laid marble. The living room offers twin-power recliners, a glowing fireplace, and a 65-inch 4K TV that disappears at the push of a button. The kitchen? Full residential. Induction cooktop, dishwasher, microwave drawer, a Sub-Zero fridge. Oh, and a wine fridge that holds 18 bottles, because why not? Move into the master suite and suddenly, you forget you're in a vehicle. A king-size memory foam bed with electric adjusters, backlit wardrobes, dual-zone lighting. There's even an iPad-style panel that controls everything from AC to audio to window blinds. And behind that, a private spa bathroom you'd expect in a 10-meter penthouse. The bathroom features dual vanities, a walk-in shower with rain head, and actual marble counters. Yes, real stone. There's even a concealed washer-dryer combo tucked behind the cabinetry. It's smart, stunning, and silent. Underneath all the luxury is a fortress of tech. The Realm comes equipped with bird's-eye camera views, blind spot sensors, a full fire suppression system, and automatic hydraulic leveling. Powering your kingdom is an AquaHot 600D hydronic heating system, 3-stage battery management, and a 12.5 kV Onan quiet diesel generator. Oh, and Tyrant tire blowout protection comes standard. No joke. Base price, around $1.27 million. But this model, fully loaded with premium trim and LV2 extras, sits just under $1.77 million. And no, it's not for everyone. It's for the 1% of RVers who want the road, without giving up their lifestyle. From retired CEOs to elite nomads, the Realm attracts a new breed of traveler, people who don't want to fly first class anymore.